নমস্কার, আমি পায়েল মুখার্জি আর আপনারা দেখছেন নিউজ টুডে। দেখতে থাকুন, সঙ্গে থাকুন।
17 फरवरी 2026 के एक्रोपोलिस मॉल स्थित सिनेपोलिस मल्टीप्लेक्स में आयोजित फिल्म 80 का प्रीमियर केवल एक सिनेमाई आयोजन नहीं था, बल्कि सामाजिक सरोकारों से जुड़ी एक गंभीर पहल का मंच भी बना। इस अवसर पर अभिनेत्री तापसी पन्नू, कलाकार कनी कुशरुति और निर्देशक अनुभव सिन्हा की मौजूदगी ने कार्यक्रम को विशेष आयाम दिया। आइए देखते हैं न्यूज टुडे चैनल के माध्यम से पूरी खबर।
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Thank you so much. People feel that films like these come with Houseful. But yeah, you people have shown us what Houseful can look like for films like Assi. Can I assume, since you people stayed till the end, that it was a nice film? Thank you so much. This is very reassuring, and if I can assume that it was nice and you agree to it, can I assume that you will help us make this film Houseful in successive shows from Friday and onwards as well?
Absolutely.
We really need your help. I think every good cinema, every good film needs help from the audience. We can't make too much of noise. We want our audience to make that noise. So I hope you help us make that noise. And I know you've done it before for good films. I have actually huge expectations from Kolkata. I've always had some beautiful response for a lot of our films, Sir's films from Kolkata. So my expectation meter is already high. So I think I'm going to assume that you will help us make this film a lot of noise. And thank you so much for coming again, for your time. Thank you. Kani guys, all the way from Kerala, first Hindi film.
Beautiful performance.
Hello, thank you for coming. I mean, Tapsi has spoken everything. I'm just happy to see you all. And I saw right now again the last 2-3 minutes. So again, I got into going into the film. Now I'm not able to speak because of that, I think. Just if you really got connected to what we are talking about.
Producer, the man who keeps making these kind of films relentlessly.
Thank you so much. It's 9 o'clock almost, you'll all be driving. Said everything in the film. And just that I have to say is thank you. And thank you Sudhir bhai for hosting this.
No, thank you so much. And this is very important that, this is quite gutsy that they've come out and traveled all over the country and introduced the film and are not scared of showing it, So that
Anybody wants to say something? It's not a Q&A, but let's talk if you need to.
How did you match this with that? But I'll tell you, everyone, whichever city I go in, they are quoting an example of rape from their city and telling me to react on it. Like you, here, they're talking about RG Kar. Yesterday I was in Patna, they were talking about the NEET student. Today in the morning, I read a news, 1.5-year-old girl was raped by her father's friend in their house. So which one am I supposed to comment on? And do I comment on that one case or the 79 others that happened the same day? Do I feel more for one and less for others? Just because for one, everybody decided to go on road and for remaining 79, nobody spoke. So for me, all of them are equally sad. And that's why I don't want to start questioning about the judgment. I want to understand, where is this true justice? That's what we have raised in this film. The judgment, is it going to stop rape forever after that? Then let's push for judgment. But if you think no, judgment might not eradicate rape from this planet, then let's start finding the root cause of it in our houses. So this is what I would rather want to discuss. Who are these people? Why are they doing this? Where is this thinking coming from? Let's not pick one case. Let's go to the root cause of this problem. That's what I would want to talk about.
आई एम अ फिल्म मेकर. आई थॉट कि इस विषय पर हम सबको मिलकर बात करनी चाहिए, तो मैंने फिल्म बना दी क्योंकि मुझे फिल्म ही बनानी आती है. NCRB का डेटा है 2023 का, जिसमें बताया गया है कि साल में 80 केसेस रिपोर्ट होते हैं रेप के. इसलिए फिल्म का नाम 80 रखा, क्योंकि हमको पता नहीं है. हम दिन में 1 या 2 पढ़ लेते हैं, बाकी 78 हम पढ़ते नहीं, हमको पता ही नहीं चलता.